What's up, everyone? Just wanted to give you a short review here, demonstration of just the what comes in the Solderweld HVAC all-in-one pack. This comes with a great tube here. Nice canister. It's watertight. You can see that in there. It's nice. Comes with these 4 packs. You can pick another one too that has other varieties of rods depending what you need. The one I have comes with the regular 15% silver, normal brazing rods. Solderweld brazing rods are also round. They're not flat, these particular ones. It also comes with aluminum to copper brazing rods in here. You got your aluminum repair rods. You can repair aluminum coils. They work excellent. It comes with this flex as well for it, for the soldering aluminum. And you also come with your 56% silver rods as well. Great product, guys. This also comes with a little wire brush for cleaning, which I've lost already, but we all know how that goes. This canister too comes with a carabiner on it, so you can hang up the tube somewhere if you had to. Like I said, it's also watertight. Great product, guys. If it's not in your area, check them out. Great company to deal with. Awesome guys that work there, and the owner. Awesome stuff. This is just the HVAC stuff. They offer a lot of other products too, guys, for, off-road vehicle repair and things like that. Very cool. They got some awesome swag too. Stickers, hats, hoodies, t-shirts, everything, guys. So if you haven't seen them, check them out. They're all over Instagram as well, at Solderweld and at Solderweld Hvac. So I just wanted to give you a short description of what comes in this kit, guys. I will do a demo as well on using the rods and actual brazing situations and all that. But I love this tube. It's great. It's got plenty of room in it for a lot of stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. So what's up, guys? Just wanted to give you a quick video, short description on that little kit. It's a pretty cool kit. Comes with some great stuff. Like I said, there's a couple of varieties you can choose from. They got other HVAC kits and other products. You could just order the stuff separately. Great company to deal with. The owner, Lance, wicked cool guy. I'm hoping to get out to AHR maybe next year and actually meet these guys in person. It would be great. I know they do demos. You can get them to come do demos at your work. They got stuff you can offer your local supply houses as well. They'll do their best to get their product out everywhere to supply houses that, if they're not in your area. I know around here we don't really carry them. So, I was lucky enough to get my hands on one of these and test the stuff out. It's great. Like I said, I will get a demo too, guys, of actually, brazing with the product and this and that. So it's been good, but again, guys, stay safe during these times. I know a lot of guys, you're out of work right now like me. So I'm just trying to keep busy. I'll get some short videos together like this for you guys, different tools, products, things like that I got on me, that you guys are interested in. So let me know. But again, guys, thanks for watching. If anyone's new here, consider subscribing. Stay strong, boys. I'll catch you on the next one.